JetBlue has what they call cold terminals. So, for example, in the New York airport, they have the Long Island MacArthur, JFK, LaGuardia, Newark, White Plains, New York. They're all considered cold terminals. So you could switch flights between any of those airports to a destination. They all fly to Fort Lauderdale, they fly to places in South Florida, to the Caribbean. So you could theoretically book a flight that's a little bit less expensive and then at undesirable time of the day, either really early morning or late at night, and switch to a flight that you would prefer that's a little bit more suitable, like a 10 a.m. departure. So you can save a lot of money that way. One thing about JetBlue is that they don't oversell their flights. So as long as there's just a seat for sale on the flight, then you can do the same day flight change to it. So that's what I found during this challenge is like the biggest perk was the free same day flight change. Other cold terminals are like Fort Lauderdale, Miami, West Palm Beach. That's considered cold terminal. Tampa, Sarasota, Florida, and then in the Northeast, Boston, Providence, and Manchester, New Hampshire. Other Mosaic One benefits include priority security, priority check-in, dedicated phone support, and priority chat, which I have actually utilized a few times. The agents are very professional. There's also upgrades on Heathrow Express because JetBlue actually flies across the Atlantic. They did an Atlantic extension a few years ago. So they fly to Paris, Amsterdam, Ireland, and then there's also a Avis Elite match as well.
Lots of perks and a bit of an America Loves Math moment. You also can choose perks with the tiles, 10, 20, 30, 40 tiles of bonus points. So you get 5,000 points, I believe 4 times or maybe even 5 times, depending on how many tiles you get and how much spend you do. So that 25 years of Mosaic status throughout the challenge gives you a very big points infusion. What is it, something like 500,000 points over 25 years?
I'm not sure that's much math for me. With JetBlue, even on your way to the Mosaic One status at 50 tiles, they actually have milestone rewards. So basically it's to incentivize you to fly JetBlue more and you basically get to pick your perks along the way. With the tiles program, so every $100 you spend in JetBlue flights or their JetBlue package vacations before taxes, you earn 1 tile. You can also earn a tile for spending $1,000 on their co-branded JetBlue Barclays credit card. When you hit the thresholds of 10, 20, 30, and 40 tiles, you can pick one of what they call their signature benefits. One of them includes early boarding, which is boarding with Group B. You can also pick priority security, alcoholic beverages, enjoy up to 3 complimentary beverages on each flight. We get like a one-time JetBlue vacation bonus, so you earn double points on the JetBlue vacations. And then there's also the 5,000 point bonus. With these signature perks, you can actually pick one every time you cross a 10 tile threshold. So at 10, 20, 30, 40 mile, you can pick one. But once you pick one, that option is no longer available.
You can match that Mosaic status to other programs with other airlines and get temporary status with them.
Yeah, for sure. We've seen different types of opportunities pop up. American or Match Mosaic One. American and JetBlue used to be partners in the Northeast Alliance, but that was struck down by the DOJ a few years ago. And that Southwest also matches to Mosaic, Frontier, Spirit, they also match to Mosaic One. And then recently we saw the Royal Jordanian match. They also matched to JetBlue as well. So there's definitely opportunities to leverage that Mosaic One status for 25 years to match another program, either domestic or foreign.